Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect crème brûlée. First, gather your essential ingredients. 2 cups of heavy cream, 5 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 vanilla bean. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving that rich, creamy texture and exquisite flavor. Also, prepare 4 to 6 4-ounce ramekins for baking. Next, gently heat the heavy cream with the scraped vanilla bean in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture becomes light and creamy. This is a crucial step. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. Now, carefully pour the tempered custard into your prepared ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. This ensures a silky, smooth texture. Once baked, remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely. Then, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of each custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it's a beautiful golden brown and bubbly, creating that iconic crisp crust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.